So a while back I did a blog post on how to create this TV um, graphic for your e-learning courses, and so it's all built in PowerPoint, and then I show how you can use it to play video. So using a monitor, a TV monitor, computer monitor is always popular to display e-learning content. And so I have that already in the blog post. But what's interesting is Mike Chapman, who's a blog reader, actually sent me this PowerPoint file. So I thought I'd go through it, and I'll actually include it in a future blog post. But what he did is he wanted to replicate this computer monitor. So here are the original monitors. So he wanted to create something that kind of looked like those monitors. And what you have here is his final monitor. So let's go ahead and break it down. I'm going to duplicate this slide so I don't mess it up. So what we have here is, let's break out the components. So you've got your screen. Actually, I'm going to group this, and then I'm going to scale it down, and then we'll look at the components that he has. And I'm going to make the slide background a slightly different. Let's go ahead and make it this kind of orange color so that it really stands out. So let's ungroup this now. Let's look at the components that he has here, and then in a future post we'll talk about how to build it. So what you can see, he's got his frame, and so the frame, when you look at it, it's really just a black box here, and then on the frame he's got an outline. So you've got the outline that he built there, and then you've got this these two pieces here. So they're kind of give it that gel look. So, and those are just grouped objects. So let's ungroup those and see. Let me zoom in a little. We ungroup that here. Or actually, you can see they're just objects that he customized and added a gradient fill to. So, but when you put them on here, it kind of gives you that gel look on the frame. And then this right here is just a gradient filled shape. So you can see it's transparent, and it's just got a kind of a radial gradient from the corner. But again, you drop that into your screen. Now all of a sudden you get something that looks like a monitor, and then you've got your monitor screen color here, and you can see there's an outline to it. But real simple shapes. Again, it's just how you assemble all of that, and then you've got the different components. So you've got your bar, you've got your footer here, and again, when you look at it, it's just these shapes. They're little gradient hand-drawn shapes that sit on the monitor. But what's really nice is you can break it down. It's really easy to assemble, but when you look at the final product, it looks like a real. If I didn't know that, I would think it was created. One is it almost looks like it could be a photo when you compare it to the real ones here, and it's all built entirely in PowerPoint. So a lot of neat things you can do. I'll actually include this in an upcoming blog post on things I've learned from the community, and then you'll get the PowerPoint file. You can break it down yourselves.